In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a newsletter series on Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a post that contains multiple parts or installments, so your readers can easily follow along as your series unfolds. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in. If not, you'll need to sign up before you can publish anything. Once you're on the main dashboard and signed in, you'll see options to create new content for your publication. Next, look for the button or link labeled Create. This is usually near the top of the dashboard. Click on Create to start a new piece of content. Substack gives you a few different choices, but for a newsletter series, you'll want to start with a standard written post. When the options appear, click on Article. This opens the main editor where you'll write your newsletter. Think of this as your canvas for the entire series installment. Even though you're creating a series, it all starts as a single article that you'll structure into different sections. At the top of the editor, you'll see a space to add your title. Go ahead and type in a clear, compelling title for this newsletter. Since this is part of a series, you might want to include something like Part 1 or a specific series name so readers immediately understand that this post belongs to a larger sequence. Just below the title, you'll find the subtitle field. Use the subtitle to give a bit more context or describe what this particular installment will cover. This is a great place to set expectations, summarize the main takeaway, or highlight who the newsletter is for. Keeping your title and subtitle consistent across your series helps readers recognize it in their inbox. Now you can start writing. In the main body area, begin your content for the first part of your series. You might open with a brief introduction to the series as a whole, then dive into the topic for this specific installment. Write as you normally would. Use short paragraphs, clear language, and headings if you need them. Take your time here. This is the core of your newsletter. Once you've finished writing the first portion and you're ready to separate it from the next part of your series within the same article, move your attention to the top right of the editor. There you'll see a menu often labeled More or shown as 3 dots. Click on that More drop-down to reveal additional formatting options. From this menu, choose the divider option. This will insert a horizontal line in your article. The divider visually breaks your content into sections, which is perfect for structuring a series inside a single newsletter. It tells your reader, that was one part, now we're moving into the next. After the divider, you can type another series segment here. This might be part 2, a new chapter, or the next topic within your overall theme. Give this section its own mini heading if you like, then continue writing just as you did above. You can repeat this pattern using dividers whenever you want to clearly separate different entries or episodes in your series, all within one Substack newsletter.